Converting from U plus Unicode string definition to true Unicode character. I have a long list of Unicode definitions and description mappings that use the U plus 1F49 coding convention. In Python 3, how can I read these in as true Unicode characters? i.e. \U0001F49 green heart. I've tried array slicing and composition, e.g. \U00O.format1F49 but end up with syntax error column, Unicode error, anicodeus gate codec can't code bytes in position 0 to 4 column truncated \U escape as the initial string instantiation craps out on a partial Unicode declaration.
You can also use int to parse the number, and chr to convert the number to a single character string. For example, if you want to convert all of the U plus 4x instances in a larger string, you can use the same chr/int pattern in the second arg of re.sub.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.